going, keep going a little further, keep going, keep going. No, dude, I'm sorry. Alright.
I don't think you're supposed to aim it at the white.
Two, one.
Oh my god!
You boys.
Oh, show. I come home and I pet my dog. You see, petting your dog is one of the most relaxing things you can possibly do. Okay, we're done.
Just wanted to say happy birthday, and I hope you have the best New York City birthday ever. My, what a year it's been. This time last year, you, oh God, who knew, not the food. I'm okay. Have a great time with Coco tonight. God darn it. I just done my hair and makeup. Ugh. Love you so much. Happy birthday.
Oh! Oh my God.
I peed in my pants.
Are you cooking dinner?
Oh. Are you okay? Oh, oh!
Can you refill me back? Yeah, they'll take you. Hey, bye.
Yeah, because I'm going to try to talk without, Oh!
He wanted you to scratch his butt. No, not like that, Sophia. Oh my Jesus, y'all, this is what I have to deal with. Like, how did I just get that on film?
Oh! No! No!
Oh my!
And this is what happens when you leave your car overnight under the heron's nest.
What won't mom let you do, Dad?
She won't let me spend $20.
Why do you need 20 bucks for, Dad?
I need to get Guardians of the Galaxy on my team. She won't let me buy them. She's a mean mom and a mean grandma.
Would that help you out, get to the next level?
Yeah, get to the. It would help.
Oh, yeah. Saved it.
Oh my god, yeah, Charlie. Are you okay?
Yeah.
See if we can do it.
That was like the first time. Hold on to here this time. Because I rolled my ankle.
Hey everyone, I'm reporting live from my bathroom and I just put my new bidet together. So if you don't know what that is, I'm going to show you right now.
Hey, もういいよ。もう閉めないよ。あ叩かれたからって。
Oh no, 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 you're gonna hurt yourself. Back up. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Get it back. Rissa, get back.
Rissa, back
Get
up.
back. Your eyes gonna
Back
pop up.
up.
Rissa, back seat. Get it back. Rissa, oh my word.
Okay, Coda. Come inside. Oh, Jesus. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Oh no!
Our little girl's all grown. Oh, not again.
Oh, now.
Relax, stay back. It's okay, but. But guess what, buddy?
What?
We're gonna catch more.
When I got to your school, the teacher said, I heard you have a lot of weed at your house. Okay. Do you want to explain that?
Nope.
Are we growing weed at our house?
Yeah.
A lot of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a little bit, but it's gonna grow a lot.
It's gonna grow a lot, and then what do we do with the weed?
We're gonna get it out and throw it to another place.
Oh, okay. Do you wanna maybe show people what you're talking about?
Yeah.
That's the weed you're telling all your teachers about?
That's weed. That's weed. That's weed. That's weed. That's
Leven är ni hemma lej. Oh no. This is not what we expected. You okay?
Mais segura pra bater! Para, Henrique! Para, desvia, Henrique!
Tabanag. Scare me, that guy.
Dinner, 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 dinner.
Do a double backflip.
Okay, that is a horrible idea.
Damn, babe!
Send that shit to Fail Army! Send it!